Mama, what sound are you writing?
Bo. As
Bo.
a bag.
Okay, so write the next one.
Okay.
Great job. Good job. I'm super proud of my baby. Good. What sound are you writing?
Bo.
As
As a
in,
bag.
good. Great job. Write the next one. You still got it right. So write the next one. Good. What about this place? Good.
Okay.
One more, one more. Great job.
Done.
Okay, one more here. So what sound did you write?
Bo.
Bo.
As a bag.
As in bag. Bo as in bag.
More, yeah.
Great.